I'm Yasmin, I'm one of the laser and skin specialists here in Havana Dundrum, and today in this video we're going to speak about the post-treatment kit. So this post-treatment kit is really good for clients that have got aesthetic treatments done, such as peels, microneedling, IPL, and the reason for it is that there is an aromatic cleanser, so it's a balanced and facial cleanser, and it helps soothe and calms the area because it has chamomile and green tea. So you would add a little bit of water to the gel cleanser, and then you would help calm down the skin after your treatment. It also contains Illuma serum, and with the Illuma serum it protects our cells and melanocytes because it has Kojak. So with the Illuma serum, it's going to help kind of reduce any redness post-treatment, or if you do suffer from redness on the skin, it's a really good one. It also has the Image SPF, and it has factor 50. So if we apply this to our skin every morning, it's going to protect our skin from any light whatsoever. Again, our nighttime, there's enough cleanser to use that as our nighttime routine as well. There is a repair cream, which is the Max Stem Cell Cream, and with the Max Stem Cell Cream, it helps with our cell turnover. It also helps kind of create a healthy aging cell in the matrix and keeps it really healthy. So if we apply that every single night. Inside there is also an enzyme mask. So you would use this on day 5 of any treatment. So for example, after needling, if you find that your skin is really dry and flaky and peely and you really want to like pick it, please don't, because you will cause yourself some pigmentation. So if you just leave it up for about 5 days, pop your enzyme mask on top, it's going to eat away at all that dead skin. By using the enzyme mask on day 5, it's going to help eat away at all the dead skin cells, the flakiness, the tightness after kind of your peel or your needling. So we'll put that on, build it up. You can leave it up to 30 minutes, but please don't do that straight away. Build it up at first, and you can use it up to 30 minutes, but not straight away. I hope you enjoyed the video on the post-treatment kit. If you have any questions, just contact one of the laser skin specialists here in Havana, and we'd be delighted to assist you.